In the current business environment, where efficiency and financial accuracy are paramount, many small to medium-sized businesses, SMBs, are turning to outsourced bookkeeping and accounting solutions. One prominent name in this space is Bookkeeper 360. Unlike traditional accounting software that you simply license and use yourself, Bookkeeper 360 offers a service that combines technology with dedicated human expertise. This leads to a common and critical question for business owners. How much does a Bookkeeper 360 package cost? As an accounting software expert, I can tell you that understanding the pricing for a service like Bookkeeper 360 requires a look beyond a simple monthly fee. Their costs are influenced by several factors, and they offer various tiers and add-on services to cater to different business needs. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, and the package you get depends on the complexity of your financial operations. The core offering, bookkeeping services. Bookkeeper 360's primary service is, as the name suggests, bookkeeping. This involves the essential tasks of recording financial transactions, reconciling bank and credit card statements, and preparing foundational financial reports like the profit and loss, income statement, and balance sheet. Their pricing for core bookkeeping is primarily determined by your monthly expenses/transaction volume. This is a key factor. Generally, the higher your monthly expenses or the more transactions your business processes, the more you'll pay. Bookkeeper 360 typically structures its base bookkeeping packages based on tiers of monthly expenses, e.g., up to $20,000, up to $35,000, up to $50,000, etc. Accounting basis, cash versus accrual basis accounting is generally more complex than cash basis, as it involves tracking accounts receivable, money owed to you, and accounts payable, money you owe. Because of this added complexity, accrual basis bookkeeping packages typically cost more than cash basis packages for the same expense tier. Frequency of service, monthly versus weekly versus pay-as-you-go. Monthly bookkeeping. This is the most common option, where your books are updated and reconciled on a monthly basis, and financial reports are provided each month. This is suitable for most small businesses with relatively stable operations. Weekly bookkeeping. For businesses with higher transaction volumes, or those that need more frequent insights into their financial health, weekly bookkeeping provides more regular updates and reconciliations. This tier naturally comes at a higher cost due to the increased frequency of work. Pay-as-you-go. This option is less about a recurring package and more about on-demand support. It usually involves a lower monthly base fee, which might just be for app access, plus an hourly rate for a dedicated accountant's time. This is best for businesses that only need occasional help, specific project work, like a chart of accounts restructuring, or historical cleanup. It often comes with a minimum project fee. Starting points for core bookkeeping. Based on current information, the core bookkeeping packages for businesses with lower monthly expenses, e.g., up to $20,000, might start around monthly cash basis, approximately $399 to $499 per month. Monthly accrual basis, approximately $549 to $649 per month. Weekly cash basis, approximately $549 to $699 per month. Weekly accrual basis, approximately $749 to $849 per month. Pay-as-you-go, typically around $49 per month for app access, plus $150 per hour for dedicated accountant time, with project minimums often starting at $1,000. As your monthly expenses increase, so do these base prices. Businesses with over $100,000 in monthly expenses would typically receive custom quotes. Additional services and their costs. Beyond core bookkeeping, Bookkeeper 360 offers a range of complementary services that can be added to your package, each with its own associated cost. Payroll processing. Managing payroll involves calculating wages, withholdings, taxes, and often direct deposits. Bookkeeper 360 offers payroll services, with pricing often based on the number of employees. Starting rates could be around $200 per month, with costs increasing for more employees or complex payroll needs. Tax services. This includes business tax preparation and filing, e.g., corporate tax returns, and often personal tax preparation for business owners. Tax planning and advisory services are also available. Business tax filings can start around $1,000 per filing, with individual filings potentially starting from $350. Tax planning and R&D tax credits would be additional. Fractional CFO, Chief Financial Officer Advisory. For businesses that need high-level financial strategy, forecasting, budgeting, cash flow management, and key performance indicator, KPI, analysis, Bookkeeper 360 offers fractional CFO services. This is a premium offering, often starting from around $1,599 per month, reflecting the strategic value and expertise provided. Back-office services. These can include accounts payable, managing bills and vendor payments, and accounts receivable, generating invoices and managing customer payments. These services help streamline operations beyond just recording transactions and might start around $150 per month. Sales tax management. Assistance with calculating, filing, and remitting sales taxes. This is often an add-on service. App integrations and software setup. Assistance with integrating other business apps or setting up new QuickBooks Online or Xero accounts. The Bookkeeper 360 app. It's worth noting that Bookkeeper 360 also offers a standalone app for QuickBooks Online and Xero users that provides a performance dashboard and insights. This app costs around $19 per month if you don't subscribe to their bookkeeping services. If you are on a bookkeeping package, access to this app is typically included. Factors influencing your final cost. When inquiring about Bookkeeper 360 services, be prepared to discuss your monthly revenue/expenses. This is the primary driver of the base bookkeeping package cost. Number of bank and credit card accounts. More accounts mean more reconciliation work. Number of employees directly impacts payroll service costs. Complexity of transactions. Do you have multiple income streams, inventory, or complex cost of goods sold? Industry-specific needs. Some industries have unique accounting requirements. Desired level of support and reporting. Do you need weekly meetings, custom reports, or just monthly financials? Software choice. Bookkeeper 360 primarily works with QuickBooks Online and Xero, so you'll also need a subscription to one of these, which is a separate cost. Is it worth the cost? For many small businesses, the cost of a Bookkeeper 360 package is an investment that pays off in several ways. Time savings. Frees up business owners to focus on core operations, sales, and strategy, rather than tedious bookkeeping tasks. Accuracy and compliance. Professional bookkeepers reduce errors and ensure compliance with tax laws, minimizing risks. Financial insights. Provides timely and accurate financial reports, enabling better decision-making. Scalability. Services can scale as your business grows, from basic bookkeeping to advanced CFO advisory. Access to expertise. You get a dedicated team of professionals without the overhead of hiring in-house.